Concept 3, finding values using graphs. So when you are given both an function and a graph of that function, you can find an ordered pair that lies on the graph just by looking at the graph, finding the x and y values. And then to check those, you can go back to the function and plug those in to make sure that you're being accurate for finding those values. But often it will be faster just to plug your values in for your x to find out what your y coordinate would be. Okay. But if I'm given a graph, I can look at it and I can say, okay, it looks like it crosses right here at x is 2, y is 3. If I put 2 in for my x value, 5 times 2 is 10, minus 7 should be 3. All right, I've got that value. And in some cases that might be useful, but often it will be faster just to go straight to your equation and plug in your values.